Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a beautiful, elegant, and stylish collection of Kutch work embroidery designs. All of these Kutch work embroidery designs are borderline embroideries, border embroidery designs that are equally elegant and exquisite for kameez, kurti, ghera, daman, sleeves borders, trouser borders, blouse, sleeves, and sari pallus, shawl, dupatta, four sides, pallus or corners, or different type of stylized patterns in a panel style shirt as well. So, before going into the further details, I would request you to do watch the video till end and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments in the comment section that what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming video. Up till then, guys, keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content, guys. As you know that Kutch work, Gujarati Jamar, Gujarati Jamar, Sindhi embroidery, these are the different terms that are being attributed to this one simple and very beautiful embroidery stitch that is being shown to you into our today's video collection of design ideas. Guys, one more thing, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intent of making videos and sharing design ideas and creativity with you is to share some unique ideas. So you can equally design your patchwork embroidery designs along with mirror work, as most of the designs are being shown to you along with the mirror work, so that you can give them a more formal look and more beautiful and elegantly exquisite touch to your whole embroidery pattern, because mirror work is the type of the handwork hand art that always comes along with Sindhi, uh, Balochi, Gujarati embroideries that are traditional type of sort of embroideries. So if unfortunately you are unable to get the designs of your choices from our today's video, then no need to worry about it. We already have shared thousands of design ideas of hand embroidery handwork onto my channel. So you can go and explore from those design ideas and creativities. Guys, if you already have subscribed, then you can subscribe from as many as other devices, because subscribers are very important, and please help us to grow. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in a new upcoming video. Up till then, take care.